Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App VPN uses tutorial. First, let's quickly cover what a VPN is. A VPN, or virtual private network, masks your IP address and encrypts your internet connection, giving you more privacy and security online. Now, to use Cash App with a VPN, start by choosing a reliable VPN service. It's important to pick one that is fast, secure, and trustworthy. Avoid free VPNs as they can be slow and may compromise your data. Once you have installed and set up your VPN app, connect to a server location where Cash App is fully supported. Usually within the United States, Cash App service can be limited or blocked in some countries, so connecting to a US server is key. After your VPN is connected, open Cash App on your device as usual. You should be able to log in and use the app without issues. However, be aware that Cash App security system may detect VPN uses and flag unusual activity if your IP address suddenly changes or shows different locations frequently. This can lead to temporary account locks or verification requests. To avoid this, use the same VPN server location consistently and avoid switching servers mid-transaction. Also, keep your account information up to date and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Remember, Cash App requires you to use accurate personal information, so don't use VPNs to provide false location details that could violate their terms of service. If you run into any issues while using Cash App with a VPN, try disconnecting the VPN temporarily or contact Cash App support for assistance. And that's a quick overview of how to use a VPN with Cash App safely. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.